Alright, hey y'all, welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning in. Y'all know I appreciate y'all. Go on and get you something to eat on and something to drink on, because we about to get ready to do these nails. But before I get started, I want to introduce this nail drill with y'all. And this is not just no regular drill. Nope, this is not another ordinary MelodySusie drill. This drill right here will blow your mind, because it blew my mind. And at first I'm thinking, yeah, oh, okay, another little cute little regular smegular pencil drill, right? Oh, that's so cute. They came out with another drill. Bless their heart. When I tell you they done showed up and showed out and blew my mind with a drill, my baby. Watch this. It's finna blow your mind. That's all I got to say. It's about to blow your mind. Opens the drill up. Look at the drill. I said, oh, this is so cute. Yeah, just like I thought. A little cute little pencil drill. It's nice. It's thin. It's about the thinnest drill I ever seen. So that's it, right? That's what you thinking over there, right? Because that's what I was thinking. Yeah, just a regular drill. Whatever. Anyway, check it out. It comes with your little jump off set. It ain't the best part. I pulls this off. I look. I said, oh, whoa. Wait a minute. Hold on. There's a lot of activity going on in here with the cords and all, right? So I looked. I said, all right. That's a regular C port. So I know this cord goes to this. C port goes into that. This USB part right here goes into your adapter like that. This is not included. You should have one of these at home already. Goes into this here adapter. Bam, that goes into your standard outlet. That's that. So I said, well, what's so spectacular about this? And what is going on with all of these cords here? Because I'm a little lost. Girl, look. So then I seen this little thing here, and I was like, what is going on with this? This don't go here. Girl, I'm going to tell you something. This is why they say reading is fundamental, child. You have to read to stimulate your mind, because if you don't, you will be lost in the sauce, as such as I. Okay? I was a little lost. I felt baffled. I felt dummy-fat. I felt like I was a little confused over here, right? So I said, wait a minute. Hold on. Girl, check this out. This drill has a lock button right here and an unlock button right there. Watch this. Now, you ever, before I get this, you ever call yourself doing your toe? Do you do your own toes? Because I do my own toes. And sometimes, girl, I get so tired of just doing my toe, holding that big old drill. Girl, look. Take this. Bam. She come apart like that there. This goes like that. Okay? Hold on. I'm moving too fast. Hold on. This little thing here goes on here like that. And you screw her on like that there. Right? You clip her on your little shirt or whatever have you. You know, just clip her, okay? Just clip her, girl. Put this in there like that there. You put this here into your adapter, USB into your adapter like this here. USB adapter, and put this into your standard outlet. Take my little starter drill bit here with the little extra fine and put her in there like that there, okay? She has a reverse, a off, and a forward, and this here is the volume button for it to go up and down, all right? Check it out. That's her. This how quiet she is. Okay. Alright. Turn her down. Turn her off. And you can put her in forward. She does the same. Alright. Okay. Turn her off. And now we're not going to ignore the fact of how skinny she is. Child, look, my thumb. And I got some skinny fingers over here, okay? My thumb is fatter than this little drill. Okay, hold on. Look, hold on. Look here. Look at that. This is all I got to say. Look at that. Look, this all I got to say. I ain't gonna say nothing else. Look at it. Just look at it. All right. Let's carry on with the video. All right, you get that? Pull her out. Unscrew this here. Okay. Take her. Screw her back on. Like that there. And she's on. She's locked. Okay. Once you have assembled her back into its natural state, you turn her on. Okay. Use this button for the up and down. Okay. Alright. Turn her back down. You can pause her. Put her in reverse. Same thing. Girl, and turn her off. I could not believe it when I figured it out, girl. I couldn't believe it. I said, boy, if they not spoiling us, I don't know what to say, child. MelodySusie has done it again. I'm not going to say it no louder than I said it before. Whomever is over there making these nail drills deserve a raise, okay? I don't think they can get no better than this, y'all. I told y'all MelodySusie over there showing up and showing out. I have never in my life seen no drill this good. She also comes with this carrying case. So when you're finished, you can take her and store her like that and put her away until the next time you get ready to use her. All right, y'all, come on, let's get ready to do these nails.